What's up, world? It's your girl Ayana, and today I got something hot, something exclusive. I'm talking next level. Manute the Celebrity Barber, the Mixtaper Volume 1. Music, tips, advice, celebrities, all in one DVD. Entertainment meets the barber world. Get familiar.
Let me handle my business. 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 I said young was busy counting money. I dare you niggas count me out.
And for those of you that don't know, Manute the Celebrity Barber is from Chicago, Illinois, the South Side, Inglewood. But this brother is determined. Your environment doesn't define who you are or what you can achieve. Recognized as the #1 barber from the Midwest, Manute has cut the heads of celebrities such as Derrick Rose, NBA star, Rick Ross, hip-hop megastar, Drake, hip-hop megastar, Day 26, Joel Santana, and many others. CEO of Lavish Life Haircut, Manute has taken his business to new heights, to Atlanta, Georgia, to provide luxury grooming for print, TV, music, and film. And he does eyebrows too. So get at him. If you want to look good in front of the camera, which I know you do, contact Manute the Barber at manutethebarber@gmail.com. Right about now, we're going to kick this mixtape off with an exclusive interview from Manute himself.
Let me handle my business. 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 I said young was busy counting money. I dare you.
Leave your troubles and all drama at the front door. Let's have a good time, just relax, let it go. Say you're